hole, going ahead and doing an inspection. Just gonna identify a few things that are going on. So ultimately, the first thing I want to start with is you can see there's a giant gap right here. The light's not so great, but there's foam in there that kind of act like a barrier. But like if you look closely, you could see that there's a huge gap between the arc panels. That's gonna allow a lot of water to get in there. So that's got to be taken care of. The other thing, you have definitely a jagged cut right here, and also the way they installed this arc panel, it's not sealed properly. Water can easily get behind there. And then you mentioned that there was no ventilation on the top. You could see right here that it's very flat. It is kind of ventilating, but like first off, they didn't cut the underlayment underneath. So what's going on? Oh, sorry, it's not something. So what's going on is, even though the wind's there, the underlayment's going to block the air from going in. So we need to correct this, put a different type of material there, and that way there's no further issues there. And then lastly, this is the best way I can show you this. That rake, you can see huge gaps right there. That needs to be bent and conformed to the fascia. That way it doesn't allow any water to get behind there. But as it sits, easily the water will get behind there and it's going to leak. So let's take care of all this before it becomes a huge problem all around the roof.